Looking ahead towards next fire season, this is really great news, all the snow that we're getting, because it's going to help to alleviate the drought conditions that are occurring throughout much of the western United States. And it's not just Oregon and Washington getting the heavy snow. Parts of the Sierra Nevada down in California, 10 feet of snow in the last week. So it's really been impressive. Here's a picture for you from the Wind River Valley in Washington. That's north of Carson. Susan sent this in. See that? There's a forerunner buried under that snow right there. It looks to me like there's at least 2 or 3 feet. Susan says she's never seen anything like it out in that part of the world. So really just amazing. Meanwhile, up in the Cascades, remains 20 degrees up at Timberline, and it continues to snow there. We're beginning to get some reflection of snow in the West Hills tonight. So if you're traveling up and over the West Hills, do not be surprised if you see some snowflakes there. Might get some minor accumulations once again, trace to maybe an inch. But for the valleys proper, it's just rain tonight. We won't get cold enough for snow here. Up in the Cascades, all snow. Northeast Oregon, all snow. And there will be a lot of it. For that reason, the avalanche warning, yes, for about another 45 minutes, but that's overlain by a winter storm warning, which continues into tomorrow night. Tuesday night at midnight, as a matter of fact. Look at all the terrain in Oregon that's under a winter storm warning. That's a lot of the state. No warnings or watches in the valleys here, except for one flood warning down on one of the rivers draining the coast drains down by Eugene. But otherwise, the valleys are in pretty decent shape, other than the record rainfall that we got today, over 2 inches in downtown Portland. And again, that is breaking a record that was last set in 1975. So going back, what, 45 years, 47 years. All right, tonight in the Cascades, another nearly 2 feet of snow by the time we get into tomorrow night. The Gorge, another 5 to 10 inches at least, and there's the snowfall for the West Hills. Here's the rainfall I'm talking about. The airport, 1.45 inches. That is also a record there. An inch in Scappoose, 1.34 in McMinnville, well over 2 inches in Salem, 2.27 inches there, and Pendleton, 2/3 of an inch. Now, on the satellite imagery, you can see the speckled nature to the cloud cover offshore. That's indicating that we're going into shower mode. Some of those showers could become thunderstorms along the coast tonight. The problem is it doesn't stay that kind of broken up cloud pattern. When the air hits the Cascades, it gets lifted by the mountain range and it just wrings out all the moisture, so we get the heavy snowfall rates and accumulations that we've been seeing. And notice it does extend south into California as well, which is fantastic because they need the snow at least as much as we do. You can see tomorrow, though, we're looking at rain again in the valleys and snow in the afternoon. So we're transitioning to showers already right now. That'll continue into the morning hours, but then it just transitions back to steady precipitation, rain in the valleys, snow in the mountains tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So the snow just keeps on. There really won't be much of a let up in the Gorge or in the Cascades. This is different though. Wednesday night and Thursday, notice it's green over the Cascades as the snow level climbs to about 6,000 feet. So that's really going to make a mess, and we'll probably have more avalanche warnings at that time because that's even heavier precipitation on top of the new lighter snowfall that we're getting right now. We go back to cooler temperatures as we go into Friday and Saturday, so the snow level comes back down. There'll be great skiing this weekend. If you're waiting for a bluebird day, Sunday is your day. I think Sunday and Monday we actually get a clear sky. There will be an east wind, won't be a raging frigid east wind, but cool and strong enough. And then clouds may begin to move in on Monday night. We'll wait and see on that. 46 was our high today in Portland. 45 Redmond, had a 52. Some 50s on the southern Oregon coast. Doesn't that sound good? I've actually got one day like that in our 7-day forecast. But now it's 40 in Portland. There's the freezing level, which has dropped back down to 2,200 feet. And with the cold air trapped in the gorge, the snowflakes just survive any warm layer in between, and it just stays all snow. So showers early in the morning tomorrow, and then rain in the afternoon. And again, morning snow, and even tonight, above about 800 feet. May get an inch there. 43 on Wednesday. There's the 50s on Thursday, near 50 on Friday. And then it dries out with east winds Sunday and Monday of next week. So